let us understand all about consumption in Petpooja inventory. The first type of consumption is sales bill punch. As soon as the sales bill is generated in your POS system, all the items mentioned under the sales bill will have an associated recipe, and the recipe will contain the raw material name and its quantity. So the system will automatically calculate the quantity of raw materials and reduce it from your inventory. The second method for consumption is sales raw material. If the outlet is selling raw material in its original form to different outlets or vendors, then they can register an entry here. Once the entry is registered here, the raw materials mentioned inside the bill along with the quantity will also be deducted from your original stock level. Then comes transfer raw material. This is similar to sales of raw material, but it is generally practiced between sister outlets and all those outlets which are mapped under one GST number or one brand. Supporting feature for consumption would be sales return, where in case of any sales return you can register an entry here and all those raw materials will be added back to your inventory. Now we know how many types of consumptions take place. Let us understand the sub features of consumption. The first one being request for sales return. This feature is generally practiced among FMCG sister brands, where the sales or transfer entries are generated heavily and they would like to request the sales back to their outlet. Along with this, there is a provision of wastage module, where you can register wastages of dishes and raw materials. After wastage, we move on to expiry report. Here you can check out all the about to expire product and the expired products. With a click of a button, you can convert these expired products into wastage also. After this, there comes the module of closing stock, where essentially you can tally your physical stock with the digital stock levels and find out variance. To manage the closing stock in your outlets where internet availability is fluctuating, you can also use offline stock management feature. So this was all about consumption in Petpooja inventory. Thank you.